Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I've been on the hunt for a good replacement to my son's bifold closet doors because those break, and these manual panel blinds by Zshine have really impressed me and look so nice. As you can see, their closet is a hot mess and it needs covered up very badly. They glide back and forth so smoothly, they don't get stuck. Very nice. It's very easy for both my sons. Depending on which side of the closet, they can just push the blinds. On one side, they have the little wand, and the other side, we just use our hands and can slide it that way. There's a really nice weight at the bottom of each panel, so they stay nice and straight. The fabric on these is gorgeous, very high quality and thick. I also like how little space these take up, so they don't stick out from the wall very much. And also, a bifold door, you lose about 3 inches from where the bifold door closes on the edge, but these glide completely over so you can get to your entire closet. A couple things to keep in mind when you're installing: if you're doing wall brackets like this, you use the wall bracket and the ceiling bracket together to install them. Now, I requested 88-inch blinds, and when I received them, they were 96 inches. So on the listing, it says take in consideration an extra 8 inches. So make sure you do that. So after installing them on the wall, I realized that they were too long and I had to install them from the ceiling. But boy, am I glad I was wrong. I love them so much more from the ceiling. So here you can see how the brackets were attached there and everything just pops in place. So I love these. My husband thinks they look great. My boys love them and they work perfectly for their new closet doors.
And that's my point of view.